My name is Taka.
Yota.
Toru.
Tomoya.
We are One
OK
OK
Rock.
Rock.
Hai sahabat Kompas TV, I am now with One OK Rock.
Yay!
Hai Taka.
Hi.
Toru, Ryota, Tomoya, how are you guys?
I'm pretty good. I'm
Well.
super excited about this tonight and tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Welcome back to Jakarta.
Thank you so much.
This is not your first time to perform in Jakarta, right?
Yeah, this is the third time, yes.
Third time. Okay. So, do you see any differences between tonight's performance with the last one?
Last time was with the Ed Sheeran, also like huge stadium. I think it's the right next one though. That was like crazy moment for us because like that was second time with Ed Sheeran, where so many people, good crowd. So like really good experiences. Also like I was really wants to come back to here for hours, just our four shows, you know. So like I'm just super excited. That's it. I'm super excited. It's just crazy moment it was. So I want to make it same like vibe, same happen again for today and tomorrow.
And today is your solo tour in Jakarta.
Yes.
With the huge crowd. I have
Crazy.
seen
Crazy.
people out there.
I know already like Jakarta is a huge country, but like it's so hard to make it happen even like in Japan, you know, like a lot of rock band trying to like make a huge concert, but like it's usually not happen. Just only like a few like, you know, rock band can make it. But now we're in different country, different languages, different culture, but we made it. That's crazy. So like I'm so happy, and also I'm trying my best for tonight and tomorrow. Yes.
Okay.
前回との違いは、この3年間で、僕らいろんなツアーをやってきたんで、その間に一人一人すごいまたレベルアップしてると思うんで、いいライブが今日と明日はできると思います。
So this concert this time was supposed to be only one day, you know that, and the day one is sold out, and the promoter is making it to 2 days. How do you see about this? Don't you see the big excitement from the fan base in Indonesia?
本当に嬉しいことですし、やっぱり自分たちの単独ライブは10年前にやってそれから来れてないんで、その間ずっと待ってくれてたファンのみんなに本当に感謝したいし、その、お返しというか愛を明日と明後日で今日と明日でぶつけたいなと。そしてまたすぐ帰ってきたいかなと。次は10年3年以内に。
Okay, we are waiting. So you have now become one of the successful Asian bands in the world music industry. Did you realize that? I know. Yeah. So do you guys remember when or in what moment did you realize that your career in the international music industry has starting to rise?
So shy, everybody.
Okay.
I don't know. I still don't feel it actually. Like
Really?
yeah, we just we want to tour in this world. That's our like a first like, you know, priority when we just doing band, when we get started this band actually. So like now is a lot of young generation Japanese artists trying to do like a making tour in this world, and now it's kind of more naturally, but like 10 years ago, 20 years ago, it was really hard to do that. But I think it's gonna be totally changed the generation and like situation. Everything's like changed in the future more than that. So we want to just still keep doing until that day. I want to keep the touring in this world, like everywhere, and I want to, you know, feeling like the good vibes from like each different countries. That's our like a really good, you know, the first priority for us. So, and also like motivation for doing like this band. So yeah, it's just doing like if some of the fan are waiting for us, we just go. That's it.
Okay, for your information, all radio around Jakarta is announced your tour in Jakarta. Yeah.
Okay.
Everybody is talking
Let me
about
let
your
me
tour.
let me see like how much city you guys have it, and so how much should I do like concert in Jakarta?
All right.
Now I'm gonna do it.
Okay, the album Luxury Disease was released in 2022, last year, right? And the title is the translation of your first album, Zeta Cubio, if I'm not mistaken.
No, it's fine.
Yeah,
It's a
okay.
good pronunciation.
Then, what does it mean for you? How does you guys define this Luxury Disease album for your career journey?
We've been doing this band like almost 18, 17 years now.
Yes.
Then now, this time is this album is like 10th albums. Like, yeah, this first album was Zeta Cubio, and this one is like 10th albums. We have like contract still with the Warner Brothers, like 2 more albums. We're just focused on to this 2 albums. Also, it's gonna be like rock album, both of the albums, I think. Then like this time is like a good time for like make the lines before One OK Rock and the future One OK Rock. So that's why just I want to feeling like the back the memories and like how was the feel when we doing like make this first album. But that was like very young and also emotional passion that we had it. So that's why we just put on this for the album, just passion and like energy, like emotional. Everything's like the positive way. Then we want to make it like this, Rockway albums. It's been a long time, like we were making like Rockway albums. So like that's why we just, it's time to do rock and roll again. So that's why we just decided like, all right, let's doing like same title, but like English way.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
More international. Sounds
Like a more international
yeah.
or like a more easy to understand for the
Yeah,
people.
alright.
Yeah.
そうですね、特に前のアルバムと比べて、よりバンド感がすごい出たアルバムだなと思っていて、なので、ライブでやるときにすごいナチュラルにそのパワーを表現できるというか、なんか多分見てくれてる人たちもよりこう乗りやすいような曲がたくさんあるんじゃないかなというふうに思います。
So this is gonna be my last question. Maybe have you tried our food, Indonesian food, which known as very spicy and hot?
なんか昨日辛いのちょっと食べたんですけど、スープは
Okay.
スープはそこまで辛くなくて、その横についてるソースがめちゃくちゃ辛かった。美味しかった。
Do you like it?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Thank you for all the time supporting us. I'm really big appreciated for you guys, and also I'm super excited about this tonight and tomorrow. And also we have a still ticket for the day too, so like please buy it if you watch this. But anyway, we're definitely coming back to here, and we're working a new album. So like I hopefully see you soon, and we love you guys so much. We love Jakarta. Thank you so much.